Hi, Ruben Hunter here again, checking in to tell you, don't miss it, 13th to the 15th of November, the Fall College Retreat at Camp Oak Hill. We're looking forward to it. I can't wait to come across and see you. I'm very much looking forward to seeing my good friend Flynn Craddy again, catching up with him. We're going to be looking together at this book of Hosea. Hosea is a really excellent book for us to get our teeth into over the weekend. I'm looking forward to teaching it, and I hope you're looking forward to hearing what God has to say. All the prophets have interesting things to teach us. All of them, of course, are inspired by God, and what they do tells us something else about the character of God. None more so than the book of Hosea, as we see God's broken-hearted love going after his disobedient people. We've so much to learn from this as we think about how we take all the good things God gives us and reject him. About how the world that God made takes all his good things and doesn't have any time for him. And of course, in all of this, we're always looking over Hosea's shoulder and seeing the shadow of Jesus Christ as he fulfills all of these things. And we're looking forward to what we see of the gospel in this great book. You see, Hosea isn't just a mouthpiece, he's also a dramatist. He's one of God's actors as well as one of God's speakers. And whenever we look at what he does and the way he's living and the things that God calls him to do, all the time we're looking beyond Hosea and we're seeing the one whose name is the same. Hosea, Yeshua, Jesus, the one who fulfills all of this and who we see in the gospel acting, demonstrating above all other things the love of God seen most clearly in him. I'm looking forward to seeing you. I hope you're looking forward to coming. 13th to the 15th of November. I'll see you then.